Yeah, I expected it to be bad, to be really bad, and in all honesty, it's truly worse.
Artificial intelligence is showing up in a range of professions, some more successfully than others. In her book, You Look Like a Thing and I Love You, Dr. Janelle Shane shows readers the limits of AI. Dr. Shane has a PhD in electrical engineering and a master's in physics. Her job is to prank these AI systems, and one of her pranks involves having them create recipes. Leah and I decided to put one of those recipes to the test of whether it could be made, and then, of course, eaten.
These are the ingredients for Fair and Moose, a neural net recipe from AIWeirdness.com. 8.5 ounces of crab meat, drained and cut in half quarters, whatever. 1.5 green beans, chopped. A teaspoon of dry mustard. A tablespoon of grated onion. 3/4 cup of lettuce leaves. A 1/4 cup of cottage cheese. A half a large cucumber, quartered. A 1/2 cup of brown sugar. A 3/4 ounce package of green Jell-O, drained. And finally, 2 tablespoons of mustard. So here we go.
Here we go. I'm following it.
Prepare crab meat according to package directions.
Well, first we cut it in half and quarters, so what are the package directions?
Serve.
Okay.
Let's prepare the Jell-O, shall we? I'm going to eyeball this.
Yeah.
Did you say that's about half?
Mm-hmm.
That's about half. So we start with hot water.
We need a spoon to dissolve it.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, well, that is hot.
Here's the cold water.
With ice.
With ice in it. And go transfer.
And chill.
And chill.
I'm going to the refrigerator.
And chill.
Next.
Okay. Prepare cottage cheese according to package directions.
Fortunately, cottage cheese doesn't need any prep.
Yes. Pour in crushed ice and dissolve in 1.5 cups of boiling water. I think they were referring to the Jell-O.
Should I go get the Jell-O again?
I guess that's what we have to do.
This is going to be so tasty. So,
Stir the cheese with the crushed ice for 4.5
I'm going to assume
minutes.
cottage cheese.
That looks delicious, doesn't it?
Yum. Crushed ice.
All right.
Doesn't say how much. Whoa.
Whoa.
Good catch.
We'll improvise.
We'll do enough of that.
Stir for 4 to 5 minutes.
We might have to do this on a time lapse.
It's good enough?
Yeah.
All right, let's Here we go.
Oh, look at that.
A little bit.
Just because.
Okay, we chill it for 4 hours. So
Okay.
we'll reconvene and
We'll reconvene. So it's now been 4 hours. This has been chilling, and as you can see, it's not chilled. So we're going to finish the assembly process of this. There's a few more steps, even though it's not chilled.
a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and a teaspoon of the dry mustard.
Teaspoon of this, huh? I pity the people who are going to eat this.
Won't be me.
Me either.
And 2 tablespoons of the other mustard. All it says garnish with a cucumber.
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 Here we go. Okay.
We're done.
Ta-da! That is your Fair and Mousse, developed by an artificial intelligence system.
And now, we recruited some taste testers to actually taste this stuff.
Why is the first thing remove all internal rinds?
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
A little bit of that going.
Ew.
Oh, look at that juice.
I got something. I don't know what it is.
Oh, that's so bad. It's so bizarre.
Should I not swear? Do you want me to not swear for this? It's not that bad.
It's all Jello up front, and then just a nice little
Yeah, I mean,
kick
it
of Dijon
starts
on the finish. That is.
No, there's no way. There's no way you could eat that. The cucumbers are pickled by now.
I got some nice lime, and then I ended off with crab, and it tastes like fishy.
Is there crab in there?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, that fish flavor just smacks you right in the face.
What's the fish? The crab meat?
Yeah.
Is this the crab meat? Yeah. There's crab meats in here. 3 cans.
Not that bad.
Come on, everybody likes fish Jello.
Yeah, green fish jello.
Fish Jello.
Oh, I see what you mean.
So this is the crab.
Sick.
I expected it to be bad, to be really bad, and in all honesty, it's truly worse. It's absolutely worse. Does anybody want to? No, of course not. No.
No.
So would you trust an AI system to cook for you?
No, I'll leave that job to the chefs. Yeah.
As you can see from this experiment, we conclude that AI systems, so far, will not replace cooks or chefs anytime soon.